Okay, so let's quickly just take a look at this scene. So I see the knife here, and it's off to a good start, but the helix here for the strap isn't going to work. So let's take a look at this in the reference image. All right, so looking at it in the reference image, first of all, we're not quite seeing this 100%, but the big issue here, um, besides proportions, is going to be this strap. So what I typically suggest with a strap like this, and let's just use a cube for now. Let's go over to our front view. And looking at our image here, you'll see that it's kind of, in this case, it's not individual straps, it's actually just scored. So with the multi-cut tool, what you can actually do in like an orthographic view is actually cut these. So we can kind of make a few cuts here, right? And then because we've started this topology, we go to edit mesh tools, insert edge loop tool, and let's add multiple, like let's try 12. Boom. And then it'll kind of make those cuts there for you. So from here, see how it's kind of cut all the way through? From here, what I like to do is grab all these, go and give that a nice bevel, make it 2 segments. Grab the exterior faces, and obviously there'll be more cuts, so just keep an eye on the reference, but just as an example. I'm going to go ahead and extrude those, local translate Z to get those cuts. Right, while it's selected, let's just go ahead and bevel. And then of course we would need to select these edges and bevel those as well until we have something like that. So I hope that helps as far as the knife goes. Let's take a look at everything else. Okay, get rid of this image plane. Pot. Big thing with the pot is we're missing these plates here. There should be some detail here and here. But otherwise that's looking pretty good. Get rid of that. And then our third object is our candle up here, which is a bit small. This is actually off to a great start. The thing is we're missing the candle on the inside. This could be a couple different pieces, so this should be separate from that piece. And then these two pieces are separate as well, and you can just use the curves to kind of make sure that's nice and rounded out of base. So I hope that helps. And you have a few days to resubmit and get with Jason to do all the grading. But that's just kind of a broad overview of where we can make the improvements, etc.